Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our third person shooting controller. For the shooting controller we will be needing the rifles, and as you know that we already have the animations right here for the gun and for the rifle. Okay, so they are already set up. We just need the rifles, right? So let me tell you that I have downloaded the rifles from Sketchfab. Okay, this is the first gun which I have used. Okay, its name is this is the creator name and this is a free asset to use. Okay, so you can just go ahead and search for this on Sketchfab and download it. The second one is this one, silenced gun. This is the creator name. You can go ahead and download this one as well. And then this is the last rifle. Okay, this is the rifle name, Halo 2 Anniversary SMG. Okay, so you can get this rifle as well. They are all freely available. Alright, and I will also be providing them, so you can go ahead and download these rifles zip file and extract it, and in here you will find this rifles folder. Okay, so now let's drag and drop this inside our project. I'm gonna drag and drop it in the game folder. Okay, let's clear that out and then let's click on rifles. In here, if you check it out, the model, this is the first rifle. Then we have the second one right here and the third one right here. Okay, I also have a prefab for that one. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna add these rifles in the player hands. So let me open up player, then hips, then spine, spine 1, spine 2, right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, right hand, and in the right hand we're gonna add these rifles. Okay, so let's try and drop the first one. Okay, I have resized these rifles. The first one, which is this one, its size is 0.05. Okay, we can also add its material. So add the material like this. Okay, let me do this so that we can zoom in here. Okay, so let's add that right there, then this one right here. Okay, so I have added the material to this gun, as you can see. Okay, just make sure that it is in the player hands like that. Then let's add the next one, which is this. So I'm gonna drag and drop it in the right hand. Its material is already set up, and the same for this one. So I'm gonna drag and drop this in the right hand as well. And I've drag and dropped the prefab of it, okay, not the FBX file. And when you drag and drop the prefab, its position will be already set up, as you can see right here. Alright, and for the other two, we're gonna set their positions, but for now, you can leave it in the player hands like that. Okay, and now we need to set up the animations, but let's just set up the animations in the next video.